And, it reached out and touched us. And yeah, so we had a lightning strike, and luckily it was coming into home base. The number of things that the lightning touched, it quickly got to we were going to need to go far beyond our capabilities. And Bombardier, from the get-go, engineering was available to us. If it had been us and in our facility, it would have been months. So they helped us do everything that the FAA needed to get us a ferry permit to a facility to take care of the maintenance. And that process was incredibly quick. The communication tools that align with what production's doing, it's the same tools. Production and service are using the same tools now. They're using the same philosophies. They're one company, one brand. That I think that's been the important piece there. Is it's cohesive, it's real support, and it's showing up in the actual surveys that are out in the industry. We have received an unreasonably high level of support, and with the number of issues we've had this past year, Bombardier was with us lockstep. It's been impressive, and bringing airplanes in to support us, bringing people in to support us, bringing materials in to support us. Everything we asked for, we got it, and then we got things we didn't ask for.